Okay, so I got subsets, interactions, and unions. And first, for subsets, to know what a subset is, you need to know what a set is. And a set is a collection of objects, and that could be shapes, numbers, anything. It's just a collection of numbers. And a subset is A set B is a subset of C if everything in B comes from C. So an example of both of these would be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then a subset, an example of a subset would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a subset of this set because 1, 2, 3, 4 are all in here. And that's what a subset is basically. And another example would be the subset 4, 5, and 6. So everything from here has to come from the set. That's what a subset is. Next, a interaction is the interaction of two sets A and B is all of the elements common to both A and B. And the notation is written like A intersect B. And basically for this, you take two sets, set A and set B, and everything they have in common is what the interaction is. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and set 2, 3, 4. They have 2, 3, and 4 in common, and there's no 1 over here. So the A intersect B in this case would be set 2, 3, and 4. Next, a union is the elements that come together from two sets or a set and B set. So a union is basically when everything comes together with no repeats from two sets. So in this case, set A, if it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and set B being 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, and 10. So you would take what they both have in common and put it together with no repeats. So because there's two twos here, you only need one of the twos. So you take the 1, both of the twos. Here's the 2. Next, the 3. Then the 4s. Then you take the 5. Then you take the 6s. Then you take the 7. Then the 8. And then the 10. And that would be the union of the two sets. And The example from the book is on page 68 from exercise 2.3. If we look here, the union here, or the universal set, is the set right here. So 1 through 20, and then set A, B, and C are subsets of the universal set. And for problem 1 right here, it says to find the union of A and B. So we're gonna take everything and put it together with no repeats. So if we look at here, the union would be, we would take the 1, the 2's, just one of the 2's, the 3, 4's, 5, 6, the 7, 8, the 10, and the 12. And this would be the union of set A, subset A, and subset B. Next, if we look at problem 4, it asks for the intersect of A and C. So if we remember what the intersect is, just everything they have in common and nothing else. So, well, if we look at the two sets A and C, the only two numbers they have in common is the 5 and the 7. So they're 1 through 4. There's no 1 through 4 here, and there's no 6 on set C, but there's a 6 only on set A, and there's no 8 on set C. So just 5 and the 7 in this case equals the A intersect C. And that's how you do it.